You know that YouTube is one of the best platforms to make money online and you want to use it too. But you don't have any subscribers or views. I know how you feel because I also started from the same position. I started from 0 subscribers, 0 views, 0 followers, 0 connections, nothing. And now I have 6 YouTube channels, over 178,000 subscribers on my main channel, dozens of automatic income streams, exact knowledge of how to get views, subscribers and money on YouTube. This is why I know I can help you. Here are 5 steps that you should do immediately after watching this full video. First step. Define your target audience and mission. Who do you create your videos for? Why will they want to watch your videos? How can you help them? If you can answer those questions, you are ahead of most people who want to start on YouTube. Many people just publish a few random videos on YouTube saying,
"Hey, my name is Joe. This is my average day. This is how I wake up. This is what I do in the afternoon."
And after publishing a few videos like this, they realize it obviously doesn't work and they quit. So let me give you 2 examples from my own life how you can define your audience and mission. My main channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online, is designed to help people to make money online worldwide. And as you can see in the channel name, it's called Learn to Make Honest Money Online, and that's why we talk a lot about Bitcoin, which is the most honest monetary network in the whole world, and every single person can use it without any restrictions. A target audience for this channel is anybody who wants to make money online. In the same way, you can define your channel's mission and audience. Do you want another example? My second channel, Tube Journey to Freedom, is created to help people from all around the world to make money on YouTube. And who is the target audience? Anybody who wants to get more views, more subscribers, more money, or make an impact through YouTube will benefit from Tube Journey to Freedom channel and videos. Now do the same for your channels. What is your target audience and mission? Let's move to step number 2. Understand the process. If you have followed my content, you have probably seen a following chart. It's a study based on over 3 million YouTube channels, and it shows how many videos each channel has published on average to reach a certain amount of subscribers. For example, channels that have over 1 million subscribers have published over 3,800 videos on average. Channels with over 100,000 subscribers but less than 1 million have published 1,100 videos on average. Once you understand this, you are not going to quit immediately if your first 10 videos don't make you ultra rich, right? Let's compare this chart to my own channel. So let's have a look at Learn to Make Honest Money Online. It has more than 100,000 subscribers, and you can see here that we have around 1,400 published videos, so it falls into the same category as you saw the averages. Same also with Tube Journey to Freedom. It has less than 1,000 subscribers and we still have less than 152 videos. In fact, we are going to reach 1,000 pretty soon, even though we don't have so many videos yet published. And here is my Spanish channel. You can see it has 192 videos and it has already more than 4,000 subscribers. And if you compare this to our chart, it says that when you reach 10,000 subscribers, you have on average more than 400 videos, and this pretty much falls into that. If we double the amount of videos and if we double the amount of subscribers, we pretty much fall into average of the YouTube channel. So you understand that this process works if you are willing to put in the work. Let's move to step number 3, and that is have a consistent publishing schedule. Have you ever seen YouTubers starting their videos in a following way?
Hey, it's me here. I haven't published a new video for a long time, but I promise now I'm going to publish videos more constantly. I'm planning to start to be consistent again.
I have heard that numerous times when I have been watching YouTube, and usually none of those channels have been successful at all. Decide when you are going to publish videos and stick to your plan. For example, on my main channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, I publish a new video every single day at 6 AM Costa Rican time. That will be 365 new videos this year. On this channel, Tube Journey to Freedom, I will be publishing this year 2 videos per week, every single Monday and every single Thursday. That will be in total 104 videos published this year. What is your publishing schedule? Write it down and stick with it. And once you are publishing videos, you are ready to move to step number 4, which is analyze your results. After publishing videos, you will start getting data from YouTube. YouTube will show you on YouTube Analytics on your computer and on YouTube Studio app on your phone what works and what doesn't work. I will give you a couple of real life examples from my channel in a moment. Take a look at your videos and see which ones got the worst results and which ones got the best results. You can analyze the following metrics with your videos: views, subscribers, money. Remember to also add your affiliate earnings and other earnings that you earn outside of YouTube thanks to that video. Likes, feedback from comments. When you do this kind of analysis, you will notice what kind of videos your audience wants to see in the future and what kind of videos they don't want to see. Let me show some examples from my YouTube channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, how you can also analyze your results. On this channel, I often show different easy money apps, money making applications that people can use to make money everywhere in the world with any device on their phone, on their computer, and thousands of our subscribers are making money every single day. I have even created step-by-step guides that I give for my subscribers 400% free. Here I give 15 easy money apps, here I give 20 apps to start making money right now. But now, of course, we must understand that some of these apps are going to be more popular. Some of these apps are not going to be so popular. So I need to understand what my audience likes and then provide more of that. Let me give you a simple example. There are several automatic income apps that you just set and forget, and the app will start making money for you automatically. One of them is Packet Stream, and let me show you here. I have published 4 videos. The top video got around 18,000 views. The worst one, a little bit over 2,000 views. Now if I compare this to another automatic income set and forget app, Honeygain. I have one Honeygain video with almost 260,000 views. Here is another one with 21,000 views. And if I compare overall, I've noticed that people like Honeygain more than Packet Stream. And because of this analysis, I decided to create more videos about Honeygain rather than Packet Stream. I showed you that I created 4 videos about Packet Stream and 28 videos about Honeygain. And in the same way, you can evaluate which types of videos your subscribers like more. Here is another example how you can evaluate. I have created now 157 videos about Binance because millions of people worldwide love Binance and thousands of our YouTube subscribers. So what can I do in this situation? I can come to my YouTube channel content, I can put here Binance, and then I can sort according to the views. And then we will see which one of the videos have been more popular. And you notice that most of the people in our channel, they like these methods where they can earn money automatically. So whether it's Binance mining pool, whether it's staking, or whether it's a trading bot and these types of things. So that's why I create more videos what my audience wants to see. And then of course in those videos I can explain why I prefer to hold Bitcoin rather than staking. But of course I also give viewers the freedom to choose, so they can decide, do they want to make money in the same way like I do, or do they want to use other methods. After you have done the analysis on your channel, you should be able to answer at least the following questions. What kinds of videos have you created that you should not create anymore? What kinds of videos should you create more? What kind of videos generate you the most money? What kinds of videos generate you the least amount of money? What kinds of videos get you the most views? And what kind of videos generate you the most subscribers? The more accurately you can answer those questions, the better understanding you have on what your audience wants to see, and the better results you will be able to get in the future. You should do some analysis on your channel at the very least every month, but if you are publishing more often, like I am doing, you should do the analysis at least once a week. Then you are ready to move to step number 5, which is improve constantly. Your analysis should lead to action, and you should stop posting videos that gave you bad results. and you should continue posting the videos that gave you good results. Now if you are saying,
but none of my videos have worked well,
you are not being fully honest. For example, if you publish 10 videos, I am 100% sure that some of those videos will perform better than the other ones. It's impossible that all of your videos should generate the same amount of views, subscribers, money, watch time, etc, etc. So you simply need to take a look and decide what should you stop doing and what should you continue doing. And here are a couple of areas that you can focus on improving on. Introduction of your videos, thumbnails, titles, promotions, whether you are promoting other products or your own products, video quality, audio quality, etc. Building a YouTube business is an exciting journey that you can continue doing even for the rest of your life if you want. There's always something more to learn. When you work on YouTube doing something that you love and you get paid handsomely for doing that, it's fun and rewarding. And if you want to see real life examples of improving constantly, simply come to see some of the old videos on my channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online, and you will see that the video quality, thumbnail quality, title quality, all the aspects are improving all the time on this channel and videos are getting better and better. The same applies for Tube Journey to Freedom. Make sure that you are subscribed and you will see that the video quality keeps on improving all the time. You will get more and more help to make money on YouTube. And of course, for those of you who want to get hand-by-hand, step-by-step support how you can make money on YouTube, I have created for you this step-by-step program called Tube Journey to Freedom, where I go from A to Z how you can make money on YouTube. I show you how to get started, build a successful YouTube channel, create successful videos, upload and optimize your videos on YouTube for the algorithm to get more views, subscribers and money. I show how to analyze your audience and then monetize your YouTube channel in many different ways. Here are immediately 7 powerful ways to earn money on YouTube. Here is a one-click strategy to earn money on YouTube, how you can earn even money with your first video, how to get paid even before creating videos, and what is the best way to earn $100,000 a year on YouTube, and much, much more. I look forward to seeing you inside my program and in the next videos on my channel, Tube Journey to Freedom.